Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. It's time to take you to a place where more than 13,000 people in Dubai went to. Now this is the region's most comprehensive and the largest breast cancer awareness campaign, Safe and Sound's the Pink Walkathon. Now personally I believe it's better to prepare than to repair, and I am not the only one who believes in this. Take a look at the huge turnout.
More than 13,000 people participated in the annual Barjuman Pink Walkathon in support of breast cancer awareness. The Barjuman Pink Walkathon, which is in its 9th year, featured a 2-kilometer non-competitive walk followed by a post-walk pink party that featured live music and dance as well as bouncy castles, arts and craft activities, free face painting along with a great variety of food and drink stalls.
More than 13,000 people at one venue, all walking for a good cause. What a sight this was to see. And after the walk, they had a pink party as well that had lots of food, music, dancing and loads of entertainment. Now, all these people walked for a good cause and also partied at the same time. Now, this is how we do things true Dubai style.
The walk started with the releasing of thousands of pink balloons, after which the participants were led down the route by breast cancer survivors. This year's Pink Walkathon focused on the spreading of the message of hope to a much wider audience, as the charity walk, which included men, women and children, helped support the cause of raising funds and awareness for the fight against breast cancer. All proceeds from the Pink Walkathon were monitored by the Red Crescent and will be used to generate awareness and education within the community and support patient care.
3 simple steps to follow. Do a simple breast self-exam every month, get an annual mammogram, and get a clinical breast examination done by your doctor.
I am here at the Zabil Park Walkathon to promote breast cancer awareness. It is amazing. People from all over UAE are here.
God bless all those who are fighting with this disease. This is one such step we can do. Whatever we can do in our capacity, we should keep doing.
We're supporting it for everyone in the world, not someone specific. We're supporting for the whole world.
Breast cancer has increased in crazy amounts, so I think it's a great cause. And it's a great event.
And I really like this activity and I think it's a very good idea.
Really nice. It's regarding the breast cancer prevention, right? It's very cool. At least lots of people are aware.
This campaign is really a big help to those women all over the world to promote awareness for breast cancer.
It's time for a change now, and no, if you're thinking it's time for a change for the host, ये तो होने नहीं वाला है. I'm going to be the host, and आप उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But it's time we change our mindset, our approach, our habits. It's best we change before the world changes, and then we won't be able to do anything about it. That's why just sit back and relax. We're going to take you to a brand new concept store. It's called the Change Initiative.
Go ahead and make one more change, because change is instinctive. It's a realization that we can have an impact. The Change Initiative is making an effort to equip people to make more responsible lifestyle choices. It's an exciting new one-stop destination providing sustainable solutions for the community, businesses and the government. These include a carefully selected range of household products, appliances and building solutions that combine technology with great design.
Okay, so if you've agreed that we need to change, you also need to understand why we need to change. And to make us understand the same thing, I've got Gundeep Singh with me, who is the CEO and founder of the Change Initiative. Gundeep, welcome to Weekend Out.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you for coming here.
It's my pleasure, Gundeep. I've been very pleasantly surprised by this whole concept. You want to tell us a little bit about the concept of the Change Initiative?
I think Change Initiative is basically a drive to make people more sustainable. Change has always been considered, or sustainability has always been considered as drab, boring and uninteresting. In fact, it's almost being considered as, if you take climate change, people are going to die tomorrow. But we have tried to make it fun, interesting and exciting.
Right, and you're obviously inspired by sustainability.
Yes.
How easy or difficult is it for us common people to change our lives to a completely sustainable format?
I think basically it's not so difficult at all. Fundamentally, you're making just a choice. I think it might be a slight difference out there, but not a significant difference, absolutely.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get Gundeep to give us some examples of what he's saying. So I'm going to take a walk through the store with Gundeep and we'll stop at places and show you some products where you can make the difference and not pay the difference. What a line that is. Wow.
Gaurav, basically, if you look at it, this is an old bottle. Normally, you would take the old bottle and throw it in the landfill, and it'll go to waste. You just break it up into half, make it 2 pieces, and you have 2 beautiful glasses that you can use. Gaurav, this is a really amazing product. What we have is basically a small little device that can go under your sink. And this is the device. And everybody should have it, because this is a device where you just put in all your food, all your waste, and it goes back into the sewage. So you don't have to basically throw your waste, organic waste, into landfills. It automatically gets transposed into the water and it doesn't harm anybody. Gaurav, basically what we're really talking about here is that you have cleaning liquids, you buy them in bottles.
Right.
But once you use them, usko phek deta. So we came up with this idea out here where you bring your old bottle back, you save a bit of money out there, and then you can just refill it.
That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, you're saving all that plastic, it's not going into the landfill, and aapka kaam bhi ho raha hai. Change is not always boring. In fact, it can be very, very interesting. I'm going to prove it to you in the next 30 seconds. So if you're ready, 1, 2... So the moral of the story is that change is very important. All we need from you is the initiative, and what better place than to do it at the Change Initiative. So far on the show, we've given you a lot to think about. So I think you guys need a break, and so do I. So take a break and come back soon.